Well, they started a course here with the foundation, and they wanted names for people to join. And I thought, oh, I'll give it a try. I didn't even know how to switch a computer on. I didn't have a computer.
The Merthyr Forums, they do these taster days and things like that. They do a lot, and anyone can attend them.
I wanted to keep my brain active as I'm getting older. And it was just a general interest.
Ada, she just took to it like a duck to water. Well, she does all, you know, the accounts and everything, yearly accounts. She is our treasurer. She's the treasurer of our club, the Gallaudet Golden Age.
It's company, you know, you go there and we're only 9 people because it's only a small room. It's the companionship. It's the age, isn't it? Coming age. Everything's computers now. And you've only got to keep up to date with their progress.
So Ada, this is your day. Congratulations from us all.
I was very proud to think that Olive put my name forward. It's an achievement at my age to get an award.